Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to edit and change logo color in Photopea. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea document. In this video, I will show edit and change logo color. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now you can see, then we select from logo. Now click from open option. Now you can see, then we show open the logo. Now we're going to the now we select from magic wand option. Now click, then select from logo. Now going to the color hand option. Now select from any source color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from Alt backspace. That it's. Now you can see, then again select from logo. Now select from color. Now keyboard press from Alt backspace. That it's. Now keyboard press from Ctrl D. Now you can see edit and change logo color in Photopea document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.